Hello guys, I'm an engineer from Ruff, and also the lecturer of this course, Ruff IoT Application Development. So, in the following sessions, I'll lead you to learn and conduct practical operations over 6 chapters. I'll guide you to preliminary learn Ruff and start IoT application development. Okay, come back to the subject now. First, let me briefly introduce Ruff. Many of you may wonder what exactly Ruff is. It is a development board. Well, to be exact, as we see, it is an IoT operating system. It's a software, and on this software, we as developers may use JavaScript, a high-level language, to develop your own IoT applications. The goal of Ruff is to make all IoT application development easier. At its official website, we can see such a small demo. So what does this demo accomplish? That is to say, when you press down a key, the LED of this development board will be lit. On the right is its corresponding code. Such 5 lines of simple codes enable us to see the entire programming style of Ruff. It's very simple and efficient. And in those codes, you cannot see any detail related to hardware. What you can see is only some considerate APIs. Actually, IoT has been developing rapidly in recent years, and a variety of IoT platforms have continuously appeared. Well, what is the characteristic of Ruff that makes it stand out among those numerous platforms? Firstly, the main development language of Ruff is JavaScript. JavaScript, is a high-level language, and also a scripting language. It's very suitable for beginners to learn and start with. Secondly, it features high hardware abstraction. We may discover in the previous case that there is kind of no hardware at all in the entire codes. Which GP, LP, and register does an LED correspond to? Those minute details related to hardware have been hidden in our Ruff. In doing so, we have realized a rather high abstraction. As in all the codes, we cannot see any code related to a register or pin. We may say that this code is cross-platform. The reason is that it's not bound to any specific hardware or development board. Finally, as we said, we can use our Ruff development platform. To realize high efficiency and fast development, Ruff SDK provides a wrap, which is a productivity tool, to help developers manage projects. Manage the hardware and software packages inside. Also, it provides some test frameworks for developers to achieve fast development. At last, our Ruff provides some materials for learning, which actually consists of 2 parts. One is the official website, which collects some documents and APIs, as well as some mature cases for your information. The other is the community, where you may share with other developers some IoT development results of your own. Also, you may communicate with our Ruff engineers on some demands and characteristics.
Ruff, make IoT easier.